What's up, YouTubians? Welcome back to another day, another video. This video, we're gonna get something done that I keep forgetting about. So, what do I keep forgetting about? I keep forgetting about around the windshield on both sides. I don't know why, but I keep forgetting I have that to do. So, before I forget again, we're gonna get set up. We're gonna go ahead and get this puppy finished, started and finished, or something like that. Whether or not I get it all done today, I don't know. I highly doubt it due to, still working on the shoulder. But in this video, you're gonna see it done. That's the magic of editing, and I love that. So without further ado, let's chit chat, let's get on with it. I think I'll end up cutting that out off camera and redoing that, because that's pretty hideous, to be honest with you. I don't know. Thinking about maybe just cutting it back out, redoing it. Really don't have the metal that I want to use in order. No excuses. I sucked at that repair. So I don't know. I'm going to sit here and ponder for a few, maybe see what we can do. Who knows? I might be able to salvage that. Just need to step back for a minute, let the shoulder kind of chill, and we'll dive back into it in a second. I think I may just wrap it up for the day and come back here in a little bit. Just not, I don't know, that side's okay-ish. Still got this side to do, which I've got to bring it from up here all the way around. That's just a lot of compound curve. I can do it, just, yeah, it'll be my first time doing that much of a compound curve. So that'll be interesting. Today I've been using the Yes Welder MIG Pro 250. Don't forget, down in the link down below in the description, and also on the website vwjawbreaker.com, there is actually a link where you can save 10% off pretty much all the Yes Welder stuff they have on their website. So if you plan on getting anything, even accessories, you may want to check that out and use that link, or use the discount code posted right there. All right, break time, and then we'll be back. Let's tackle that corner. All right, well, it's another day, and we're back out in the garage. And we're gonna go ahead and see if we can get this other side done. I'm not all that confident, so I guess we'll kind of figure it out as we go. But I have a game plan this time. It's one of those things I knew in the back of my mind, but here, I'll just show you how we're gonna do it. that went better than the last side. So here's where we're at. We have, see, everything is, well, got lots of shadows for you. Everything's there. We just need to come back through and tack all these little cuts together. And then we can actually come back here and put a couple little tacks back in there as well to hold everything in place. Once we get that done, we can come through here, grind that flush, make sure this radius is the way it's supposed to be. But yeah, that turned out a lot better than the other side, so I'm happy. So let's continue on so we can be done with this side. What do you say? Well, that wasn't too bad at all, to be honest with you. It kind of makes me want to cut the other side out and redo it. So this is what we did. We've got the side all nice and done now. Got it kind of shaved and curved. Got a couple little tiny pinholes to fill. I'll get to that, but the problem is I am out of my little roll-lock disc for sanding down in the small areas. Of course, make sure you use your PPE, guys. You know, I mean, it's not all the time we mess up or, you know, want to kind of cut corners, but I'm actually pretty happy with that. I really kind of am. I mean, it's not the most perfect, but it does fit the profile perfectly. So with that being said, that's it for today. Well, on that project, I'm going to continue kind of filling little pinholes, grinding, trying to, you get the drift. Anyway, thanks so much for being here. Thanks for sticking around. Make sure you check out the people below, other wonderful YouTube channels to follow. Also, I've updated my Amazon store. So I've got different categories for different things. So check that stuff out. You never know. Remember, I do like to take a portion of the proceeds every year and give to the local animal shelters. It's just one way to help give back. So guys, again, appreciate it. Take care, be kind, and be good.